Hey guys, we are starting week 6 today, so I wanted to do an update video and try and get everybody sort of caught up. So today you should have everything due through 2.03, and your serial projects are due today. Remember, the serial projects are 30% of this 6 weeks grade. If you don't do it, even if you do everything else in class, you can't make more than 70. Those are very, very important. The ones I've seen so far are pretty good. Part 1 is a worksheet you fill out, a marketing plan that I've kind of made a template for you. You fill it out. The second part is the box. You can draw it. You can do it on computer. You can do it by hand, take pictures, upload the pictures. You can make a box. You can see I've got one in the background. Here's one, Cardinal Crunchies, and it's got all the information, what they have on the back to fit their target audience. You can actually make a box like this, take pictures, and upload it. That's that. And then your commercial can just be in script format, or you can make a video, however you want to do that. But it's vital you do that. Okay, the end of the 6 weeks is the 6th of March. That is a week and a half from today. This week, you will be doing 2.06, 2.07, and taking your 6 weeks test. Some of you are really, really behind. I'm here to help you catch up. I can't help you if you don't talk to me, if I don't know why you're behind or why you need help. Some of you are really good. You're right where you're supposed to be. You ask me questions. Some of you, 2 or 3 times a week. That's wonderful. Please don't ever feel like you're bothering me. But I need to know what's going on. Remember, I put a backslash in the grade book when you're missing an assignment. It makes it count as a 0, but if it has a backslash, you can make it up. If you're not comfortable talking to me, go to your school counselor, have them contact me as to why you're behind. I'm going to update the grade book today, everything through, I guess tomorrow, everything through 2.03 that's not done will have a backslash, and it'll give you an idea of what your actual grade is. I can't put backslashes in quizzes or tests because then it locks you out and won't let you take it. But when I turn grades in, if you haven't taken it, I put a 0 in. I have to get an accurate grade. So you need to make sure that you're getting all that done and you're getting caught up. And if you don't know what to do or how you're going to get caught up, you need to get in touch with me. I can work out somehow working with you. I can come to your school. I can do whatever I need to do. But I can't do it if you wait till the last minute. So talk to me. Go talk to your school counselor. Whatever you need to do. But everything that's due on your next report card is due by next Wednesday the 6th. So we really need to get caught up. Okay? This week, as we go through, like I said, you're going to take your 6 weeks test. We are doing 2.06 and 2.07. 2.06 is quality assurance, and 2.07 is branding. And these are 2 subjects that are pretty straightforward. Quality assurance, you're going to do a discussion on research and warranties. If I put a warranty on something, then that means I'm going to stand behind it. I'm going to replace it if it's not what it should be. We're going to talk about recalls. What is a recall? How do you know when to recall something? So when I bought my first car, I bought a straight drive Mustang. And about 2 weeks after I had it, the clutch went out. I took it back to the Ford place, brand new. And they said, oh, okay, well, something's wrong with this clutch. We'll put you a new one in. So they did. 2 weeks later, went out again. I told them they had a database where the newer cars, the issues that were popping up mechanically. Guess what popped up? in the 98 Mustangs, clutch issues. There was a part that didn't fit right and it was throwing the clutch off. So every 2 weeks, they put a new clutch in until the new part was made. It was recalled, but they didn't have the new part. So that's what a recall is. If they find there's an issue with something that is causing it not to work right, fire issue, washing machines all of a sudden start catching on fire. If it's a newer product, then they do a recall, take it off the market. Branding is the overall outlook of how customers view a business. And so we're going to talk about brand promises, brand personality, patents, what the core values are, what your symbol is, how do you develop your brand, how do you keep it going. We're going to talk about Nike. Nike is a strong brand, but you're going to do an essay on Nike in this unit as the corporate image in their branding. So there's a lot we're going to talk about. And like I said, you're going to take your 6 weeks test this week. Everything that's due this week is what goes on your report card. So you need to make sure you get that done and caught up. And if you have any questions, give me a text through Remind. I hope you've all signed up for the Remind app. If you haven't, you need to. And like I said, just make sure you get everything done through 2.07 because that's what's going on your report card. All right? I will talk to you soon. Happy marketing and have a great week.